In the world of animal intelligence, Alex the African Grey Parrot stood as a remarkable figure. Under the guidance of animal psychologist Irene Pepperberg, Alex learned to communicate over 100 words and even formed simple sentences. Unlike mere mimicry, Alex could identify colors, shapes, and numbers, showcasing cognitive abilities akin to a young child. His ability to mentally juggle concepts like same and different challenged existing notions of animal intelligence. Alex's journey not only advanced scientific knowledge, but also transformed perceptions of the emotional and cognitive capacities of birds.